if I have not claimed those promises and believed them and clung unto them, I don't know if I will be here. You know. There was one particular time that I was down because even the way I walk has already been affected. My, I don't know, left foot, parang sumasakit na. Naapektuhan na.
Yeah.
I was thinking of calling the members of my family. And I will, pagbibiling ko na si Mrs. sa kanila, bahala na kayo sa kanila. Oh, yun. There was a time. Pero I was able to overcome that. Hindi natuloy yung pinatawag ko na sila. Pero, parang, kasi dumadating din naman yun. Pero hindi ko nahiyaan na, yun naman ay, I believe, despite the odds, di ba? Against all odds, I really clung onto the promises of God. So that's why I have proven. The promises of God are really true. They are true. Somebody hasn't, they are just like, you can cast them on the bank. Cast them on the bank of heaven, of course. Pati yung provision. Kasi yung palampong laboratory. Minsan nagpa-laboratory ko, I had a laboratory at St. Luke's, Quezon City, me and my donor. You know the bill? 85,000. One session only.
Wow.
Oh. I had my, PET scan at, I'll have a PET scan at Kidney Center, NKTI.
So much.
Oh, 50,000. You know what happened Monday? Somebody gave us 50,000 on a Sunday. Sunday, exactly one day before. And then we went to NKTI to have a PET scan. It's 50,000.
Already provided.
Wow. You know, we don't know even the person or the group of people who have contributed. Somebody gave us 50,000. The cost of my...
Exact.
Oh, 50,000. Wow. My donor, he has a weekly allowance for food. He has a transportation allowance when we have laboratories. They have meal allowance. And then they will advance money. Kasi, merong may price din di ba? They will advance money. Minsan, nahulog yung cellphone sa jeep. So, I need 3,000 pesos. You know, whenever we need money, there is money. God provided. Oo. Yung sinabi ni what brother in Christ told us when he gave us 1.3 million. Whenever there is another need, just call me. And I will give you the money. He is a businessman. He's rich, no? After the operation, I think they put a stent on my urinary bladder. Because it has shrunk already. Because no more urine coming out, no?
Yeah.
So they put a stent. And they need to get out the stent. 50,000 is needed.
Just to get out.
Oh, just to get the stent. Because it's, of course, it's a minor procedure. I called the guy. So I called KID.
Yeah.
I need this because I will remove the stent. Magkano kailangan nyo? How much do you need, Pastor? 50,000. You know what he gave me? He gave me 100,000.
Double the price.
Oh. And then my access had to be removed because when you sleep, your arms, my left arm get near my ears, I hear my heartbeat. Oh. To get out, to remove that, another 50,000. I called him up.
Oh my goodness.
That's what he promised. Hindi na ako nahiya kasi.
Yun lang naman yung time.
Oh, yun lang naman. There were other expenses. Yeah.
God bless
Yeah.
you.
God bless